Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about find element by name. There is a name locator you can use. So here I will create another anchor tag. So let's say I will write some code. Here I will break first. I will use br to break the line, and here I will use p. Let's say this is the link, and here I will create another link. So anchor, I will use here br as well for break the line, and here I will use anchor tag hyperreference. Here I'm passing http www.ui5cn.com. so text says click here to visit ui5cn, and now just close it. And if I will refresh my page, so you can see this is a page here, and I refreshed it. So I will close this inspect element, and you can see this is the page I created. So now if I will inspect it, so here inspect, and I will do h over here. So this is, I'm hovering it. So here you can see there is no locator here. This is id locator, so I can create the name locator here. So if I will create name here, and let's say the name is ui5cn, it's anything. Okay, I will save it, and here just refresh again, and you will find here this is the locator identifier. So name ui5cn, so you can copy it, so add it as html, and you can get the copy here. Now I will use, instead of find element by id, I will use find element by name. So only here I will change where driver dot find element by, you can say here class name, this is the name, and you can pass name here ui5cn. So let's run again, and other code will be remain same. So what I'm doing, I'm opening this file, and then I'm finding the element by name using ui5cn, and I'm clicking on it. So let's run the program. So you can see I'm able to load ui5cn.com. So there are two links here, you can see one is Facebook, one is ui5cn. So it is going exactly where the name is exist, but it will check for the name, and which name will match with the find element by name method, then it will start operation on that one only. So in this way you can work with find element by name. So in next video we will work with find element by link. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about find element by link. So there is a link identifier, using that we can identify the elements. So I will comment this person. I will create again. This time we will work with Mozilla. So the same code you have to write. So this is import Selenium WebDriver, import time, and here I will create a try block. So let's say driver equals WebDriver dot Firefox, and here just use driver dot get, and here you can pass the same value because I need to load the same file. Just save it. I'm getting some error. Okay, that's fine, no problem. Actually I'm creating the try block here, so I have to accept it. Because of this only we are getting this error. So I will comment this person again. So here we are going to create the Firefox, and we are loading the file using get method, and then use accept exception as ex and print the error. And here inside else block I can write driver dot find element by link text. So you can see here link text, and here you can pass the text. So whatever link text you are having here, this is the link text. So if you will do hover on it, let's say I want to click on the Facebook, so this is the link text. Just copy it and you can pass here in this method. After that, I'm going to click on it. So I have to save this object inside some variable, then where dot click. I will wait for some time. So time dot sleep before click, let's say 4 seconds, and after click, let's say time dot sleep for 10 seconds. And finally, I'm going to close it. So finally, driver dot close. Let's run the program. You can see here Firefox got loaded. Okay, I'm getting some error, unable to locate the element, click here to visit Facebook. Okay, so I pass here some space. So because of this space, the problem was there. So it should match. So whatever text we are writing here, it should match. Even you can put this statement also in try catch block. So it got loaded now. Let's wait for 4 seconds, and now it click on Facebook only. So there are two links here. You can see one link is Facebook, one link is UI5CN. It is clicking on the same whatever text we are passing here. So let's say if I will pass this click here to UI5CN. So let's say I will pass this text here. And if I will run it, so just see the output. So UI5CN.com got open. So in this way you can work with link text. So this is the method, and you can find the link text and you can get the properties of that element. So in next video we are going to discuss about partial link text and how it will work. Thanks for watching.